Are you currently experiencing a plumbing issue? Perhaps you've tried to fix it yourself and it's not going so well. We would love to help you. You need an experienced plumber who will be available to help you quickly and get the job done right the first time. Don't trust your repairs and installations to just anyone. You deserve a plumber who is experienced, polite, skilled, and available to help you right away. Services we provide include toilet and sink repair and installation, leak detection and repair, new installations, and more. 24-hour emergency services are also available. Don't risk further damage to your home. Contact us today. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.